How to change restricted mode password on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change restricted mode password on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and now click profile, and here in the top corner you will find test three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy and scroll down. Here you will find digital well-being, and then here we'll find restricted mode. Just click on it and then click change password, and here type the current password and click next, and type any password you want, next. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.